guys, so for this video, we have some kids from school campus helping us with a paper airplane competition. So, big thanks to them for helping us. We're gonna make paper airplanes, and we're gonna have two teams try to throw them through these targets. And they're gonna get different points depending on what target it goes through. So, let's get started, guys. All right, so all the boys line up.
Girls,
Behind the rainbow, and all the girls line up right here behind the water bottle. So we're gonna set a timer for 2 minutes, and we have 2 minutes to make a paper airplane. So you guys ready? All right.
How am I supposed to do it in midair?
In midair, you can sit down and do it. All right, on your mark, get set, go. 2 minutes, it's okay. Do you need help? All right, let's make a paper airplane together.
what are you doing, Glendo? Michael, how about you? What are you doing with your paper airplane to make it special?
We're gonna make the real cleaner so it can fly better.
What about the girls? How are you gonna make your paper airplane?
I'm gonna copy. What do you mean?
You made two?
Hi.
Line up, guys. The boys are gonna go first for this round. There's gonna be 3 rounds. Here you go. You ready? Let's see if you can do it. Oh! Next person, and then see if you can get it in the target. Here we go. Oh, good try. Good throw. Good throw. All right. There you go, buddy. All right, see if you can get it in the target. Oh, good try. All right, last try. Oh, so close.
So close.
Oh, so you hit the paper, which is 5 points, okay? So the paper is 5 points. Oh, crash. Oh, good try. Good try. You can do it. Oh, you hit the paper though. That's 5 points. Right now it's 5-5, guys. Last throw. Oh, good try. All right, timer is starting now. You guys have 2 minutes to make a new
Glendo,
airplane.
you got off to a rough start there. False start. How do you feel?
I don't know. I just got a new piece of paper.
You got a new piece of paper. What are you gonna do this time?
I don't know.
You can practice
mine.
it.
That's mine. I'm
helping.
Melinda, what are you gonna do differently?
I do not know.
You don't know.
Need help?
Fael, what are you doing differently this time?
I don't know.
You don't know.
What?
Maria, what are you gonna do differently this time? You don't know.
So this time the girls are gonna go first. Here we go. First throw. Oh, that's 5 points.
Nice.
All right, second throw. Oh, so close. All right, you got this. Oh, crash. Hit the ground. Yep, right there.
Oh!
75 points. Oh, 5 points. Good job, Michael. All right, Galindo. Oh, 5 more points. The guys just got 60 points. Let's see if they can get more. Good job. So for the third round, we are going to have 2 more minutes for you guys to smash 2 airplanes together. You have to throw 2 airplanes at the same time. All right, make sense?
I didn't know.
No?
How do you feel about putting 2 airplanes together?
I don't know. I wonder if I can see it.
It's the last round, and you have to throw 2 airplanes at the same time. The score right now is 85 to 65.
How do you feel about going first?
Confident.
Confident? Oh, that's what I like to hear.
Yep, you got it. Here we go.
Whoa!
25 points. Yep, both at the same time. There you go. Oh! Boys are winning by 5 points. Oh, good try. Here we go. Oh, good try. Good try. Boys are still winning by 5 points. Oh! It's now tied. It is tied. Oh, so close. Here we go. Final throw. Gotta throw them both at the same time. Oh! We got 50 points. Oh, wow. All right. Oh!